Hey guys, it's January 6, 2019. It's a pretty stormy and rainy day here in Seattle. Let's start over here with the garden update. Not much has changed except this guy, the hydrangea. You can see most of the leaves are gone now. The grape is pretty bare too. For the bulbs, you can see there's more daffodil sprouts now. And not much has changed with these guys. And then this Persian tulip has sprouted right there. So that's a new one. And then the rest, I don't think I've seen any changes. Tulip was already sprouting last week. Hyacinth, same thing. And then the snowdrop, you can see that first flower is still here, and there's just gonna be a lot more sprouting going on. Other than that, let's take a look at the other bulbs right here. Daffodil, grape hyacinth, and right there you can see a bunch of strawberry runners being blown up onto the porch. It was super windy last night. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna clean those up. Wildflowers, yeah, everything looks pretty much the same. Raspberry, you can see most of the leaves are gone now. And the other guys are doing well. For the indoor garden, you can see the dendrobium flowers has opened. And yeah, the orchids are doing well. And right here, the Stockholm fern, you can see it's getting a little dry. I'm gonna water them today. Everything else looks pretty good. It's not dying or anything, just not really growing because it's not the season. The frizzle sizzle is getting super long. A little worried about that. And yeah, the other succulents are doing fine. Let's see over here, the phalaenopsis, the flower spike is getting longer. And the other plants, spider plants, it's still growing and sending out new growth, which I'll show you later. And then the prayer plants, you can see right here, that new growth I showed you last week, it's getting longer now. And the Hoya plants, and here we have other succulents. And the spider plants, you can see the water culture one is flowering, a little slower though, comparing to this guy in soil. You can see this, I didn't even see it last week, it has flowered. And then the last things are these succulents. See that sprout is getting bigger. But yeah, that's it.